Combining Special Identities. Certain algebraic expressions may contain more than one special identity, so it is appropriate to know how to write them in the correct way so that simplifications are fast and easy. Let's consider an example where more than one special identity is present. Example 1. Simplify the expression. We have the following shown on screen. Solution 1. In this example, there are three special identities involved. From left to right there are the third, the second and the sixth identities respectively in the same algebraic expression. Thus, we have the following shown on screen. A particular example, there are situations where the information is partially evident, is given indirectly. In these scenarios, we have to combine two or more special identities to find the result. Let's consider another example. Example 2. The sum of two numbers x and y is 8 and the sum of their squares is 48. What is the product of x and y? Solution 2. We have the following shown on screen. By raising this expression in square, we obtain the following shown on screen. From the clues, it is known that we can obtain the following shown on screen. Hence we have the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 6.3.10, and the end of tutorial 6.3. To continue this chapter, please watch 6.4, Introduction to Factorizing. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.